Hi everybody! In this tutorial I'm going to show you the differences between the result label and the text label. As you know, everything starts in the home page. I click on this button to create a new analysis. I load my spreadsheet and, do you see? Thanks to the smart selection, SelfBi has automatically selected my data. So, by clicking on Close, I move directly to Edit in order to shape my analysis. I drag and drop a bar chart and some data, and I do the same with a line chart. But what about the result label and the text label? I drag and drop them too. The text label is a box where I can insert and format a text. It is useful to write notes or descriptions. In this case, I write a description about my line chart. Then, I can customize the text even more. The result label is a widget that makes me able to keep an eye on my data names. For example, I drag and drop the total amount. The data placer appears, and I can choose between different functions. I choose Sum in order to keep checked my selected countries. Then I set the option in the Properties panel. I click on Overall. Can accept filters is ticked by default. In this way, all the filters that I set will have effect on this widget. Let's try the filters. First, I activate the filter mode. Then, I select China and France, and I click on the tick. Do you see? The value in the result label is changed. I can also add a text before and after the value by clicking on Text. And in the section Look, I can untick the option Auto Text Size in order to customize size and the position of the text. These labels are really useful, but remember, they have an important difference. The text label can only contain text. Instead, the result label contains dynamic values that can accept filters. Then, if I want the values to be static, I have to untick this option in the Properties panel. Now, I'm ready to play my analysis. Remember to activate the button Show in Play. Now, you can see the same filter in play too, but I can also add other ones. It's your turn. Discover the whole opportunities of this label by yourself. Remember that your feedback makes SelfBi even more self-service. So, if you have any comment or question, please contact us.